In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this tablet. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Browse at the bottom in the middle. Following that, just click on Downloads category, and as you can see, all my downloads are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!